Good morning, one and all. Avanti Silks, established and run by Sri Mahesh Ji, is a one-stop outlet for all types of varieties of handloom sarees. India is traditionally known for handloom fabrics, including sarees, and each state has developed its own variety of sarees with different textures, designs, colors, and with different types of combinations. And handloom sector gives employment to most of the weaver community. And one great thing about this Avanti Silks is we find only handloom sarees here, and we should thank Mahesh Ji for this, and he is doing a great job by only selecting handloom sarees from all over the country, and in a way indirectly he is giving employment to thousands of weaver community sector people. So we should all be grateful in a way to Sri Mahesh Ji. And on this eve of occasion of Women's Day, I congratulate Avanti Silks run by Mahesh Ji for providing opportunity to the weaver sector and knowing the pulse of women. He knows what type of sarees they like. And what I have noticed here is, it is mostly like the elegant sarees, very sober, with beautiful colors, and he has a taste for it. He knows what type of sarees usually just women like. So I wish all the best to him, and thank you for being a part of this function. Thank you so much.
Hi friends, I am very proud to come here to celebrate the International Women's Day, on the eve of which Sri Avanti Handlooms and Silks is offering very attractive discounts as high as 60 to 70%. I know Mr. Mahesh Avasti for the last more than 15 years. This is a very popular company, not only a popular company but a genuine company. They have been serving the weavers, those who print on the fabrics, and the whole lot of community in the textile industry by not only collecting their genuine products, but also increasing or training them on a constant basis, so that the weavers or the fabric printers know what is required in the market. For the last 32 years they have been serving, but this particular shop in Bashir Bagh of Hyderabad is established in the last 6.5 years. I came here for inauguration of the shop 6 years back, and I see the improvement of the shop. Most of the customers come here. They are very repetitive customers. They come here from far off distances because they like the products here, which are very genuine. Not only, they sell the quality products, the prices are most reasonable. I am confident, I am sure that you won't get this kind of prices anywhere, not only in this city, anywhere in India. So come here in large numbers, take these quality products home, and I appeal to all the women. I am sure you will enjoy these products because these products are from our handloom weavers and also the fabric printers. They require your support. Most of the products are also coming from the organic way of printing. They don't harm your skin. It's very good for your skin. I appeal to all the women. Women, we like not only sarees, the whole lot of fabrics, including your bed sheets and everything is available here. Come here in a big way and satisfy your shopping passion. My heartfelt thanks and big congratulations to Mr. Mahesh Avasthi, who made me a part of this event today. And I wish all the women a very, very happy International Women's Day. Thank you one and all, and Jai Hind.
A very warm good morning to everybody. On the eve of the International Women's Day, I'm happy to be part of this wonderful event organized by Avanti Silks and Handlooms. It is my pleasure and honor to be on the same platform with the other guests of honor today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Team Avanti, starting off with Mr. Mahesh and all the people associated with the showroom over here. It's always a pleasure to come and shop here. I always say that this is my go-for shop. Always, whenever I'm in a bad mood, I come here, do my shopping, and really, relive myself over here. So you get all types of varieties of sarees, fabrics, like Madam was telling. We have got the upholsteries, bed sheets, and the salwar kameez also over here. So it's one shop where we can go and complete the shopping for the whole family. So I really wish many more such events are organized by Avanti team, and I participate in that. I have the honor to be part of it, and I request everybody to make full use of this opportunity because it's a wonderful collection, and I've already started my shopping for the day. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone in Avanti, and especially for the staff. And the staff is so good. I want to tell you something small. They are very good people and very reasonable shopping here, and very reasonable rates are there, and very original everything. I like so much Avanti, and especially Mahesh Bhai and staff. I know Mahesh Bhai from last, first he has done the exhibition in Taj Krishna. From that time I know Mahesh Bhai. That's why I like so much. The staff is also so much very nice people, and they are so attached to, they wanted to give, this is the best and this is the best. We like Avanti. Thank you.